Alright, the fastest moving insect is the tropical cockroach. It moves 2.3 feet per second by the speed in miles per hour. So we're going to start out with 2.3 feet per second, 1 second, right? And we want to find its speed in miles per hour. Well, we don't have miles on top, nor do we have hours on bottom. We have to change both. We could do that. We focus at one at a time. Now remember, this is what we're given. This is always what's in the problem. And then here, anything we multiply after that is always just going to be things that we know from the conversion chart, things that are 1, right? So we got to get rid of feet. We're going to put feet on the bottom. Do we know how many feet are in a mile? Yes. We know 5,280 feet are in 1 mile. We know that from the conversion chart. That cancels feet and feet. So we have miles on top, which is great, but we still have seconds on the bottom, which we don't want. We want to get rid of seconds. So I'm going to multiply again. But this time I'm going to put seconds on top in order to cancel seconds. And that's okay. Even though they're not right next to each other, those can still cancel because there's still 1 on top, 1 on bottom. That's fine. They don't have to be right next to each other. So seconds, and I know I can change seconds into minutes. So there's 60 seconds in 1 minute, and I can change minutes then into hours. All right, 60 minutes in 1 hour. And I wanted to keep doing that because now I have hours on the bottom, and that is what I want, miles per hour. So if I multiply across, my units on top would be miles, my units on bottom would be hours, and let's multiply. 2.3 times 60 times 60 is 8,280, and 5,280 times 1 is 5,280, and then when I go ahead and divide that, 8,280 divided by 5,280, I get 1.56, or 57, I'm sorry, I should round. You could write miles over hours. You could always write miles per hour, right? MPH, miles per hour, either way. So you do the same exact thing. The only thing is that you're going to do it double time, right? You have to get rid of the top and the bottom. So good luck. I'll put my answers up for the rest of the page onto the topics page.